What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of DRAWDY RC. Thank y'all for joining us and coming along this adventure with me and RD. We're back at the airport. It is a beautiful Sunday morning. We've got the Cessna 182 from Blitzwork. This will be Dad's third flight, I believe. We're the third or fourth flight. Done some adjusting on the horizontal stabilizer the last time. Maybe a little bit of adjusting on the wings, but more or less the horizontal stabilizer wanting to climb a little bit. You've seen in the last video. But I think me and RD's got it figured out. Did some adjustment on it, and we're finna give it another flight. So let's put her in the air and see what she does. All right, RD's back with the Blitzwork 182, Cessna 182. Running the Admiral 2600 3S in it. This will be our third or fourth flight. I think it's a fourth one. A little bit of adjustment on the horizontal stabilizer, as I told y'all in the intro. So let's see what happens. Get her up and get her situated out.
Oh yeah.
Too much up?
Oh yeah.
All right.
But I'm gonna land it.
All right. All right, so we got too much elevator, which we're gonna put her down and adjust her. Already just said it. Too much elevator, so we're gonna put her down. All right, so we got her down. Let's get her back to the truck and do some adjustment on the elevator. All right, y'all, the adjustment done. We gave it some down elevator. So let's see if that's any better. Let's see if that's any better. Down. We gave it some down. It needed some down, and we gave it some down. So let's see what happens now. Thinking bugs. No bugs. All right. How's that?
Tilting to the left again, you notice that?
You know, that's what mine was doing, remember? Wasn't bad, but it was tilting to the left. trying to adjust the
1 minute.
ailerons.
Yeah.
Don't seem to be bad though.
No.
It's got, I mean, maybe a little bit.
It won't climb.
Seconds.
It's that sun. That boy's bright in the morning. Sun's coming up. Seems
It'll
to
be
be
flying level now, ain't it?
10,
seems to be a lot better though.
7, 6.
All right, let's see if I can land it.
5,
All right.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Coming in for a landing, y'all. See what RD can do. Ooh, huh. Oh no! What happened?
Couldn't get the elevator to pull up.
All right.
Too much down, I reckon.
All right, so I'm going down to get the 182. I having a little issue with the elevator. This thing's given us a problem since we got it, but it's better. It's better. It's a lot better. Or he's got it a lot better than what it was. So that looked probably worse than what it really is. The plane's probably fine. I'm walking down to get it now. So let's check her out and see what she looks like. Hopefully she's okay. And the landing gears definitely jacked up. I don't know if that's, yeah, that landing gear's toast. So that landing gear's toast. So anyway, bend again. Let's take it to the truck. Maybe we can bend her back out. All right, y'all, so already flew the 182. A lot better on the second flight. We had to adjust the horizontal stabilizer again. It seemed to be doing a lot better, but we got to fix that. I don't know what's going on with the front landing gear on these things, but they are weak. Awful. But nonetheless, it flew a lot better. RD did a good job with it. We got to take it back, fix that, maybe give it a little bit more up elevator, and she'll be fine. But she didn't get hurt. It looked a lot worse than what it was. I think one of the antennas are a little, yeah, they're a little loose, the antennas.
Actually,
So
it flew really good. What caused that down there was when I put it in full flaps, the elevator goes down and I didn't have enough elevator to pull it up.
yeah.
So I took all the elevator correction out of the flaps.
Oh, okay, yeah. So when you put the flaps down, it just didn't have enough.
That's the
Gotcha.
reason it went in down there.
But it was a lot worse than what it looked. It looked a lot worse than what it was. The plane's fine. Maybe scuffed up the prop a little bit. Just landing gear, whatever they call that thing on the front of this airplane.
Yeah, it's not a landing gear.
That thing right there is terrible.
How about a bending gear?
A bending gear. It's not a landing gear, it's a bending gear. Anyway, we'll get it fixed up, guys. Thank y'all for watching the video. As always, when we come out here, we learn something new every time, and that's the whole part of the experience. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay with us. Appreciate it. Keep flying. Thumbs up. Give me some subscribers, some likes, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Gonna take her back and get her fixed up.